What's going on, y'all? Today I visited the civil court at 8917 Suffolk Boulevard, and I went there to file 4 motions regarding cases that's already pending in the court. Now, I filed these motions to have another judge look at the egregious actions by other judges and attorneys. You feel what I'm saying? So for those who don't know, when a judge or an attorney do anything to violate your rights, to sabotage your lawsuits, you could file an order to show cause or a notice of motion to have another judge look at these issues. You could restore it to the calendar, etc. Whatever you trying to do, whatever the issue is. So that's what I did today. And I had Supervisor Christine print out the motions for me, the affirmation of services. She printed out everything. Room 147. This is the General Clerk's office. So she prints out this paperwork. I fill it out. I get it mailed out, and then I have to come and file the originals with the court, with the General Clerk's office, or whatever. So when I come back to try to do that, she refused to accept my motion. She refused to accept it and refused to file it. Her and her subordinate, Clerk Chris. So Clerk Chris and Supervisor Christine both refused to accept my motions and file my paperwork. Now they misled me to go to room 357 on the 3rd floor to file my paperwork in special terms. I already told y'all about special terms. And the reason why they doing that is because the lawyers filed fraudulent motions in special terms. So now I have to file my paperwork in special terms because it's pertaining to the same issue. It's pertaining to the fraudulent motions. So if I file it in special terms, if I file my motions in special terms, it's going to look like motions can be filed in special terms when it's not supposed to. It's supposed to be filed in room 147, the General Clerk's office. Why would I get the paperwork from room 147, General Clerk's office, and then file it somewhere else? Then when I get up there to 357 and I let the lady stamp the paperwork, the originals, she said, I'm keeping the originals. Do you got your own copy so I could stamp those as well? Because she said, I'm keeping the originals and I'm going to stamp your personal copies. Now she's supposed to stamp the original and make me a copy.